How to fix autoplay not working on Windows 11. 1. Enable autoplay in your Windows. 2. Enable notifications for autoplay. 3. Make the shell hardware detection service run automatically. 4. Reset autoplay via control panel. 5. Disable turn off autoplay at computer configuration / administrative templates / Windows components / autoplay policies in local group policy editor. 6. Set 91 to no drive type auto run at /key_local_machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /policies /Explorer in registry editor.